Imagine a dish so treasured that families spend an entire day preparing it. A meal so important that it appears at weddings, religious celebrations, and family reunions. A recipe that survived centuries without refrigeration and traveled across oceans long before modern food preservation existed. This is the story of Rendang, Indonesia's most famous dish. The story begins on the island of Sumatra in the western part of Indonesia. Here live the Minangkabau people, a community known not only for their rich culture but also for their remarkable culinary traditions. Centuries ago, travel across Indonesia was difficult. Merchants and travelers often spent weeks or even months on the road. Food spoiled quickly in the tropical heat, creating a constant challenge for anyone undertaking long journeys. The Minangkabau people found a solution. They discovered that by slowly cooking beef in coconut milk and a mixture of powerful spices, they could create a dish that lasted far longer than ordinary meals. What began as a practical method of preservation eventually evolved into one of the world's most celebrated foods. The name Rendang is believed to come from the Indonesian word merendang, meaning to slowly cook and stir for an extended period, and that process is the heart of the dish. Unlike a typical stew, rendang is not rushed. Large pieces of beef are placed into rich coconut milk, along with ingredients such as lemongrass, galangal, turmeric, ginger, garlic, shallots, and chili peppers. Then begins a slow transformation that can take several hours. As the mixture simmers, the liquid gradually evaporates. The spices penetrate deep into the meat. The coconut milk thickens, caramelizes, and coats every surface. Hour after hour, cooks continue stirring. What emerges is not a stew, but something entirely different. Dark, intensely flavorful beef with a rich, almost smoky complexity. For the Minangkabau people, rendang became more than food. It carried symbolic meaning. The beef represented community leaders, whose role was to guide society. Coconut milk symbolized intellectuals and teachers. Chili peppers represented religious scholars, bringing strength and discipline. The blend of spices reflected the wider community, working together in harmony. Every ingredient contributed to a larger story. As Minangkabau merchants traveled throughout Southeast Asia, they carried rendang with them. The dish spread beyond Sumatra and gradually became known across the Indonesian archipelago. Indonesia itself is enormous, consisting of thousands of islands and hundreds of ethnic groups. Each region adapted recipes to local tastes, but rendang remained a symbol of Minangkabau heritage. Over time, it became a national treasure. Visitors arriving in Indonesia often encountered rendang in small family restaurants known as Padang restaurants. These establishments, founded by Minangkabau entrepreneurs, introduced the dish to countless people across the country and eventually around the world. One of the most fascinating aspects of rendang is its relationship with time. Modern cooking often emphasizes speed and convenience. Rendang celebrates patience. The dish cannot be hurried. The long cooking process allows chemical changes to occur naturally. Proteins break down, flavors concentrate, and spices merge into a complex whole. What begins as separate ingredients eventually becomes something greater than the sum of its parts. For many Indonesian families, making rendang remains a communal activity. Relatives gather together, preparing ingredients, sharing stories, and taking turns stirring the pot. The cooking process becomes a social event, strengthening family bonds while preserving cultural traditions. In this way, rendang serves not only as food but also as a connection between generations. Grandparents teach recipes to parents. Parents teach recipes to children. Knowledge passes forward one meal at a time. The international reputation of rendang grew dramatically in the 21st century. Food critics, travelers, and chefs praised its depth of flavor and unique preparation method. Many people encountering rendang for the first time are surprised by its complexity. Sweet notes from coconut milk balance the heat of chili peppers. Aromatic spices create layers of flavor that continue evolving with every bite. It is a dish that rewards attention, and despite global recognition, rendang remains deeply connected to its roots. In villages throughout West Sumatra, traditional methods continue much as they have for generations. Large pots still sit over open fires. Families still gather during important celebrations. The aroma of spices still fills the air during festivals and holidays. The world around it may have changed, but the essence of rendang remains remarkably consistent. Today, rendang is often described as one of the greatest dishes ever created, yet its origins were surprisingly humble. It began as a practical solution for preserving food during long journeys. Through patience, ingenuity, and centuries of tradition, it transformed into a culinary masterpiece. So, the next time you see a plate of rendang, remember that you are looking at more than a meal. You are witnessing a story of travel, culture, family, and time itself. A story slowly cooked over centuries. And perhaps that is the secret of rendang. Not simply the spices, not simply the beef, but the patience that turns ordinary ingredients into something unforgettable.